our last fucking day here. Thursday.
We waited to the ocean.
Just came out of the ocean. It was pissing rain and looks like some kind of tropical depression. Maybe even the beginning of a hurricane, we don't even know. Not many people around today. Usually this is packed at 12:40.